Today's video, we are testing out the brand Monday Haircare and we are testing out their smooth range. This is the shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, let's see how good they are. Hi there guys and welcome. Today's video, it's all about the hair again, and guys, the hair. The last 4 or 5 days I've been having my own natural hair, and it's time to do something with it because it's like a rat's nest just sitting on my head now. So yeah, what better time to try out this. This is a shampoo and conditioner by the brand Monday, and it is the smooth shampoo and conditioner. This really does need smoothing so bad. It's, oh my god. Yeah. Can I open this? Yes. Let's have a little smell. Okay, smells pleasant. Does the conditioner smell the same? Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, that's quite a nice smell. Thank goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna head in the shower and basically do this. I'll take you with me. The view and the lighting won't be great, unfortunately, but we'll see how these go in my hair and lather. I've just hit my glass there, and yeah, we'll see how these do. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. Would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. And you get to see more of this glorious hair. Yeah, let's go. Right, so we are starting off obviously with the shampoo. So I'm just showing you the consistency here. It's kind of like a gel stroke slime consistency. Not a very good description. I do apologise. So yeah, I'm just massaging it through my scalp. It gets a really good lather on it. It feels nice, rich and creamy. And yeah, when you add water to it, when you're rinsing it out, it gets even more foamier. It's awesome. Here is the conditioner, and there you go, you can see the consistency of it there. Nice texture, really nice. So what I do is I put it from my mid-lengths to ends, and then the last little bit I put on my scalp to my mid-lengths. I like to treat all my hair the same. I leave this on my hair while I shave my underarms and my legs, and then rinse it off. Out the shower, face is on, time to get drying my hair. I literally have 15 minutes to get ready because I have a doctor's appointment, or should I say hospital appointment. So yeah, let's get moving straight away. I'm going to be using this is my Revlon One Step Styler, and I'm going to be using my Tresemme heat protectant as per usual. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to speed through this for you. While I speed through it, I'll do a little voiceover just telling you about the shampoo and conditioner. Monday Haircare Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner is good for frizzy and unmanageable hair and curly and wavy hair types. It's also safe for colour treated hair. This defrizzing shampoo and conditioner helps to soften and smooth the hair with coconut oil, shea butter and vitamin E. Ingredients that help support the hair health and maintain normal hair growth and thickness. Monday Haircare's salon quality shampoo and conditioner formulas are dermatologically tested, pH balanced and free from Sls Parabens and sulfates. They instead contain premium natural ingredients such as shea butter, coconut oil, rice protein, vitamin E, provitamin B5 to nourish and restore. All Monday Haircare products are approved as cruelty free. The pink bottles are also made from 100% recyclable plastic to help minimise carbon footprint and reduce landfill. So my hair is done, and smoothing this shampoo and conditioner definitely are. My hair feels absolutely amazing. Yeah, I really like it. It actually has quite a nice little shine on it. Although I have had shampoos that have given me a better shine, but yeah, this does feel lush and smooth, and compared to what it was like when we started this video, this is one hell of a transformation. As I say, I've literally quickly, very quickly just started because I need to run out the door in 10 seconds. But yeah, this definitely gets my seal of approval. It's nice, affordable, which we all like. I will link it down below if you are interested in trying it out for yourself and treating yourself. But yeah, it'd help if I hold that the right way. But yeah, I can thoroughly recommend. I might check out and see what other ones they've got. Obviously this is the smooth one. I think they do a volume one and others as well. We might have to check them out. But yeah, big thumbs up. So that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.